One needs to be somebody who really enjoys building a product and building the right thing and building it properly, but it also has to be a person who really enjoys building a team. For me, that's a principal engineer. That's really a person who helps set the direction for the team, helps build the right product and do it efficiently. I would say a big part of that is agentic development. Obviously, Azumuta doesn't simply want to follow just for the sake of following, but because we feel it is absolutely crucial that we deliver software faster and more innovative to our customers. We just want to use every tool on the box to be able to get there, and agentic development is a crucial part of that. Dealing with all the changes. It's not just agentic development and not just everything that's going on in the world, but how it implies to you. It's your role as a principal engineer to help translate that uncertainty into certainty and to make the team successful. It's not just a matter of you're building a SaaS software and you're going to be working with Node.js and those kind of technologies. You're going to be integrating with robotics. You're going to be using video language models. You're going to be using visual recognition software. You're going to be building agents that intelligently propose improvements to the process for manufacturing. So all of these different technologies are going to come into play, which makes the job very interesting. One, because of our mission, we have an ambition to ensure that manufacturing stays competitive in Europe, and also because of the stage we're in. We're a company that is small enough to have an impact, but not so small that we don't have the capacity to actually make it happen.